Hi friends, my name is Binsi Sadish. I'm currently enrolled in an online Python full stack Django course offered by TECHWINGSYS in Ernakulam, Kerala while participating from Zambia. This course has an incredible learning experience for me, so I want to take a moment to share my experience with you all. Our classes run Monday to Friday with each session lasting 1.5 an hour. Our tutor, Mr. Jindoji Thomas, Jindo sir has been nothing short of exceptional. His teaching style is incredibly detailed and he leaves no stones unturned in explaining the entire workflow of coding in Django. And he clarifies our doubts and ensures that we grasp the concept has been invaluable. It's not just a theory. We are actively working on developing in an online websites. Real world experiences is preparing us for the challenges we'll face in the field. And it's a testimony to the online education's connecting learners from different corners of the globe. So thank you so much, Jindo sir, Harikrishnan sir, and the entire course team at TECHWINGSYS for this enriching experience. I'm really excited about the journey ahead and the skills I've gained. Thank you so much.
TECHWINGSYS,